Hämeentie 35 in Helsinki.
Staircase A.
Yeah.
This is the best one out of the three ones. I have filmed all of them,
Yeah.
so you can watch them. Someone is on the third floor, but they are moving.
Yeah.
But this was built in 1934, also upgraded in 1960s and again in 1986 with Kone fixtures.
Yeah.
But no light, it's still upgraded in the 60s.
Yeah.
So let them use the elevator.
Yeah.
Now you can see the floor here. Now come on. This is a very rare Kone lamp fabricator.
Yeah.
It's working completely.
Yeah.
In staircases B and C it doesn't work at all. But here it works perfectly. I think on every floor. And I think also Finland should film this one.
Yeah.
If we get inside it when he's here.
Yeah.
Then there is at Hämeentie, there's at building 17 Thursday is A and B from those.
Yeah.
They were modernized in 1989 and 90 with this. Built in 51 and 52. Those I can recommend, but it was very hard to get into A stakes A. Still moving.
Yeah.
I think it will go up soon.
Yeah.
Yes, it's moving now.
Yeah.
Do they take out the stuff? But once they are done, it should come here.
Yeah.
Weird sounds.
Yeah.
Okay, no, but it's coming up to us.
Yeah.
Because maybe I don't know if they took all the stuff out or if something was left in the elevator. If something was left, they dropped at the door. No, they didn't.
Yeah.
Just this door stopper. I think they are using the door stopper for holding the door open.
Yeah. Serial numbers 920306.
Yeah. Last month's family was here on the 1st of September 2017.
Yeah.
But no elevator filmer was here before this year.
Spektiivt pakki vai spektaat mentiin pääs pohjissa.
be inspected in 2022, 2 years.
Yeah. That's